In this video, let's get to know the process of obtaining inventory of Slack private channels, direct messages, or multi-party messages. Taking a detailed inventory of Slack's private channels and chats allows for accurate user verification, which in turn minimizes migration risks, thereby enhancing operational efficiency. To begin, click on the Verify Users button in the Inventory module. Entering the user verification page, click on the Get Users List button to retrieve a detailed list of all user channels along with their respective emails. You can select specific usernames and edit as needed. Next, upload the Slack user list document and click on Send Verification Link to verify the users present in the private channels, DMs or MMs. Now, a verification link will be sent to all specified users through mail. Upon receiving the email, users can click on the verification link, which will redirect them to the Slack user verification page. By entering their Slack credentials, AVAMIGRATRON seeks permission to access the user's Slack workspace. Once the Slack application is successfully installed, click on the Refresh button to view the user verification status. To get a comprehensive inventory of verified users, undergo the inventory assessment process again. The streamlined process follows for taking private chats list as well. You can now proceed to migrate all the private chat and channels, along with all public channels, by fetching the detailed inventory assessment. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.